What's going on YouTube? My name is Todd with xking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, I'm answering another quick question. Can you make money online? I won't read it correctly. People can't drive, Lord. I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought. Is it possible to start an online business without technical knowledge? Okay, that's probably a big one for a lot of people who don't know how to start anything, like a blog or YouTube channel or whatever. And the answer is hell yes, because I'm started the same way. I didn't have when I first started my blog, I didn't know how to start a blog or start a YouTube channel. But back then, I had a few websites started, and I used Google Sniper. Google Sniper was a clipping product that taught you how to create sniper sites, and these sniper sites are just websites with 3 or 4 posts dedicated to one product. So you buy a domain name based on the product name, you write 3 posts or 4 posts on that product, and you just have to let it sit, and you create site after site after site. But Google Sniper was a disaster because Google changed things up, and it knocked everyone's site off the map. So it wasn't a good. It was a good product when it first came out, but things are way different now. But the good thing about Google Sniper, about that program, it taught you the basics. It taught you how to get hosting, how to buy a domain, how to connect your hosting to your domain. It taught you how to set up your blog. It taught you everything. I mean, general easy stuff. I mean, he'll take his mouse, say click here, you click here, and you click here. Very easy to follow. So I had no knowledge of blogging. So I mean, there's no, you know, when you're in high school and college, there's no, not my knowledge, there's no class in high school teach you how to start a blog, or teach you how to start a website, or teach you how to do a YouTube channel. So you got to learn on yourself. So it's not hard. There's a good source out there. There's a real good source out there to tell you everything you want to know, and it's free. And it's called Google. It's called YouTube. You can YouTube anything you want. Anything you want to learn, you can always YouTube it and Google it. So why don't you Google how to set up a landing page, how to Google how to set up a blog. There are so many videos, how to start a blog from scratch, how to pick the best web hosting. And you know, I have videos on the best web hosting. So I use Bluehost. Bluehost is probably one of the best hosting companies out there. You can host your site, and your site be online. I mean, it's that easy. And if you don't know how to do it, you can always look it up. If you know how to set up a YouTube channel, it's very easy. You go to Google and ask it how to set up a YouTube channel, and Google will tell you step by step on how to do it. You know, Google will tell you a lot of information. So can you do what I took the knowledge? Yes, you can, because I've done it. No one sat there taught me how to do it. No one showed me how to do it. I had to buy a course. I had to look online. I had to do a whole lot of things to learn how to do it. Now, a quick tip, some people you can follow that can help you also, including myself, is TryIncomeSchool.com. Look at their website, look at their YouTube channel. They have very good information, and they stay up to date with new changes and stuff like that, and to show you how to create a site, how to do certain things. If you want to do paid traffic, there's plenty of YouTube videos. Every social platform has paid traffic. I mean, you have search engine paid traffic, you have social media paid traffic, you have Twitter paid traffic. I mean, you have you can buy banner space on websites. There are certain ways to buy traffic that is easy. So to buy traffic, but how to set it up, you go on YouTube and show how to do it. And people make videos all the time to walk you through step by step how to do it. And only technical stuff they need to learn is probably blogging. I mean, maybe how to change the stuff on a blog, but as far as buying traffic, making YouTube videos, that should be a piece of cake. Making a YouTube video, man, now editing a YouTube video, editing videos is a entirely different beast. Cause I'm still learning how to edit videos. I haven't got there yet, because it's trial and error. You know, so you gotta sit there and watch a video and actually do it. So editing videos would be one of the hardest things to learn, because you gotta constantly do it. You have to constantly do it, constantly look, and it's based on what you think and see. So editing videos could be challenging, but I'm learning. I have Filmora, and I don't know how to edit videos. So the best thing we can do is go on YouTube, type it in the basics of Filmora, and they show you step by step by step how to do this, how to do that, and you apply it to your video. So technical knowledge, I'm thinking more like setting a blog up, setting YouTube up, sending emails. Nowadays it's very, very easy. It's not hard at all because people every day are making videos. So go ahead and YouTube it and apply what you learn as well. Okay, don't sit there and just sit there all day and don't do anything. Apply what you learn and take it from there. So any questions, comments, concerns on general knowledge? Is it possible to start online business without no technical knowledge? Yes, because I start with no knowledge whatsoever, and you can start how to make money online. If you want more hands-on training, you want a free program. I have a free program that don't cost you no money. All thing you need to give them is your name, email address, and it will show you how to become a super affiliate, how to make money online the right way. Totally free, don't cost you any money. Okay, so if you want that program, below the video I have a link to that program as well. It's called Affiliate Bootcamp. It's going to show you step by step how to make money online, how to promote, how to get people signed to your affiliate offers, and you make money online. I took the course. It's a great course. So you want that? It's free. That's one thing about it. It's free training. It's free. It's not. There's no BS behind it. It's free. So you want that information? Look below the video for that link. If you want to start your website today, and if you use my link below and let me know, hey, you bought through me, we can, I can message you how to start the blog. I can give you some good resources how to start a website. But with Bluehost, I'm gonna tell you real quick, it's one click. You buy a domain. I buy my domains through Bluehost. I heard you shouldn't do it, but I heard you should do it, but I don't care. I buy my domain through Bluehost, and I just go ahead and just one click install, pick my domain, one click install, and I'm online like that with Bluehost. And my website is live. So yeah, that's the end of my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like the video and share the video. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns about technical knowledge, what you don't know and do know, there are plenty of resources online that will show you what you need to learn. My name is TazKing.com. Thanks for watching.